Ready to conquer your Walmart Rewards Mastercard bill and keep your finances sparkling? First, head over to Walmart.com or open the Walmart app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you are on the official Walmart site. Next, look for the account or sign-in button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click it. Type in the email address and password associated with your Walmart.com account. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you are logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. You should see a section dedicated to your Walmart Rewards Mastercard. Click on it. Now, you'll see a summary of your card details, including your current balance and payment due date. Look for the Make a Payment button, or you may need to click on the Balance section to reveal the payment options. You'll be presented with payment options. You can either link a new bank account or use one you've already saved. To link a new bank account, you'll need your bank's routing number and your account number. Enter the amount you wish to pay. You can choose to pay the minimum amount due, the full balance, or a custom amount. Double-check all the details carefully, especially the payment amount and payment date. Make sure everything is correct. Finally, click the Submit button to finalize your payment. You'll receive a confirmation message on screen and possibly an email confirmation as well. And that is it. You have successfully made a card payment.